Assalamu alaikum, Talal here. I have completed my first year at Computer Science Department UET Lahore. My journey has started on 15 November 2021 with the classic Hello World being my first program. The department employed C++ to teach us programming fundamentals. In a few weeks, I was able to implement a basic university admission management system in C++. After that, we made individual business management applications. Mine was a telephone company's management system. After that, we started learning basics of console-based game development. We made some simple board games like tic-tac-toe and learned how to implement gravity, motion, collision, etc. in games. Then we made the classic Pac-Man game. After that, as individual game project, I made Space Shooter and Missile Command. While implementing these games, I constantly felt the need of some pathfinding algorithm, and that laid the basis of my interest in algorithms. In the last week, we learned linked list, and that developed my interest in data structures. So in the vacation week after the first semester finals, I learned further about data structures such as stacks, queues, and trees, etc. I also learned about circular linked list and wrote a program reversal linked list. I also learned common algorithms for sorting, searching, and pathfinding. I designed my own pathfinding algorithm influenced by the famous A-star pathfinding and implemented it in C++. It wasn't very efficient, but it worked, and that was a great motivation for a first semester student like me. I then modified the Pac-Man game developed previously with my pathfinding algorithm. Take a look at my Italian ghost. Then the second semester started. The department decided to teach us Open C#, and that was the best decision ever because C# is a pure object-oriented language, and it makes you feel and understand the true essence of object-oriented programming. Later in the second semester, I implemented my business applications and game projects in OOP. Then after mates, I learned desktop application development in .NET framework. I made a desktop UI for my business application. I also made some desktop apps such as calculator and notepad for my practice. Then some game development using WinForms. Then after that, I learned basics of framework development and designed frameworks for arcade games. In the last week, I learned basics of Python, and now here I am converting my business application in Python. Now I am on 2 months vacation. This all was a hell of a journey, stressing, but seems like it's paying off. Thank you for watching this and subscribe for more such videos.